Alright. Welcome back, babes. It's your girl JazzBae, and I'm back with another freaking video. Let me chill out before my neighbors come knocking. But today I am back with another makeup tutorial, and this makeup, like, the person who inspired me to do this makeup, Jhene Aiko, and her new album just dropped, and y'all, if y'all have not listened to it, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing, but go listen. So her cover, it has this color coordinating going on. So I was just like, bumping her music this morning. I was like, I want to do a makeup video. Like, I want to do a makeup tutorial. So I chose these colors, and I honestly hope y'all like it. Like, I hope y'all enjoy this video. So if you are wanting to see how I got this eye look, keep on watching. Y'all, and I know y'all going to ask me about this hair, and that's gonna be a separate video. So if you want to know about this hair, then I suggest y'all subscribe and hit that bell so y'all be notified when I upload this hair review, period. I've already carved my eyebrows out, as you can see, and I filled them in. I'm just gonna prime my eyes using the e.l.f. 16-hour concealer in the color Fair, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, and so I can start putting shadows on. I always come on the camera crusty, and y'all, I'm not a crusty person in real life, I promise you. Period. I'm about to go into my Juvias Place palette, and I'm going to take this blue shade right here and literally place that all in my crease. Go into my NYX palette, and I'm going to take this baby blue shade right here and blend that out on top. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Get right to the point. Next, after I get my cut crease done, I am going to go back into the Juvias Place palette, and I'm going to use this yellow, and I'm going to put that all over my cut crease. So I went back into the Juvias Place palette and I took that dark blue to blend out that line, and then on top of that I took that light blue. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the Huda Beauty foundation, and it's in the shade Mocha. And first, before I put it all over my face, I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with it, and then I'm going to foundation this face up. Okay, and I'm going to use chocolate, and I'm going to contour. Y'all, damn, look at that contour. So y'all, the camera cut off in the middle of me blending out my concealer, but I don't do anything different that I have not uploaded. So, really? For real? Alright, I don't, alright. Zoe, can I film my video, please? Y'all, okay. Okay. For real? I think she's done. Alright, but I didn't switch up the routine of my foundation, concealer, contour. Like, if you have watched my previous videos, you would know what I use. So just watch that, and that would be the end of this video. I hope y'all like this look, enjoyed this video, and y'all have an amazing, blessed day.